When you start automating your web applications, there are multiple scenarios where you have to perform keyboard activities. Hey, hi everyone, my name is Mukesh Atwani from learn-automation.com, and in this video I will show you how you can automate any applications which involves keyboard activities. Okay, let me show you some scenarios where you can actually use keyboard activities. Now it depends on your test requirement whether you want to press single key, multiple keys, and I will show you both the examples. So in case if you want to solve any particular issue, or if you have to validate something using keyboard activities, how you can do that. For example, this is just basically a keyboard part where I will type something and now I'm getting multiple suggestions. Okay, suppose I don't want to select anything, I just want to hit enter, and I will be adding couple of options, and then I will continue with my further test. This is one of the part where what I did, I just typed something, and then what I did, I just entered enter. Similarly, let's say if I type one more time, now I can press two key parallelly. So suppose Control C, Control V, okay, or maybe Control A and then press the backspace. So this time I'm pressing two keys at once. Now depends on your requirement, maybe you want to do Control C, Control V, okay, and Control A backspace, or maybe you want to press arrow down. There could be multiple things. So let's see how we can perform keyboard activities in Playwright. Before that, let me just type Playwright and just type Playwright keyboard, and let's see what you get. So you can see the first option now, keyboard. If you open this link, you will see a dedicated class. Keyboard provides an API for managing a virtual keyboard. A high-level API is keyboard.type, which takes a raw character and generate proper key down, key press, input, and so on. And they have given a couple of examples. Okay, so let me show you how exactly it works. What you need to do, you just need to say await page.keyboard.press. Okay, so let's go back and try with one scenario. So again, I will go back and just hit google.com. I will copy the URL. I have already created one spec file, and I already have one test. So if you're completely new to Playwright, I would recommend you to watch my previous videos where I have discussed how to download, install, and how to get started with the first spec file. Now once you're done, I need to inspect so that I can type something first. And you can see now this is the text area. And if you try to find out, you will also find something called name equal to Q. You will also find something called title, type, and couple of other things. In case if you want to go ahead with others, you can go ahead. For the timing, I will go ahead and take Q, and let me quickly go ahead and write page.locator. Now I will be writing CSS, so it's a text area, so I will write text area bracket name equal to Q, and now I will say type. So you can type whatever activities, or whatever text you want. For the timing, I will write my name, and now I want to perform enter. I will write await page.keyboard, okay, then I will write press. So it's a separate method which will accept multiple keys or single keys. So the moment I put pair of parentheses, and now you can see we have multiple options. So name of a key to press or a character that you want to generate. And you can see here examples also, they're given from F1 to F12, okay, which digit you want to press from 0 to 9, which key 1 to Z, and again backquote minus equals. Right now I want to go with enter. These are the additional keys also supported: shift, control, alt, meta, shift left. So I'm using Mac for this demo. So once you move it, I will be using Control A, Control C, Control V, right? I'm using Mac, so I will say Meta A, Meta V. So for Mac user, you can use Meta. For Windows user, you can use Control. I will use enter as of now, and let's see whether it works or not. So I will save this and let me run this. It should start the session. It will type and it will hit enter. The moment you see hit enter, we are getting all these profiles. So this is how you have to perform a single key. What if you have to perform multiple key? Let's see. So in this case, what I will do again, I will go ahead and type. Now I will press Control A, basically Command A from Mac. So Command A, then I will do backslash. This is what I want to perform. So in this case, again, I will go back and I will just comment this. Okay, and let me write 2 keys at once. So for this, again, I will write await page.keyboard.press. Now I have to press Control A for Windows, for Mac Command A. But if you are using Mac, you have to use Meta and A. So I will use Meta, then I have to press A, right? So I will say A. So this will press Command A for Mac, Windows, Control A for Windows. Then I have to do the backspace. For example, again, if I type, let's say Mukesh Otwani, then I will say backspace and it should remove, right? So again, I will say await page.keyboard.press and now backspace. So in double quotes, I will say backspace, and now let's execute this. Again, I will execute. Did you notice it was too fast? Let me run it once again. So first it will type. Okay, then Command A and backspace. So it is deleting that. This is another example how you can use multiple. Again, if you want to use series, like first do selection, okay, maybe then you want to copy. So for copy, again I will say wait page.keyboard.press, again Meta+C, then I will delete this, okay, because the moment I select, I am copying first, then I am deleting, and then I want to maybe paste again. So I will say keyboard.press and Meta+V. So Control A, Command A basically, then copy, then backspace, delete it, and then again paste. Let's give a try again. It will be very fast, so watch carefully. 1, 2, backspace and paste again. So this is how you can use series of keys. Now one more example I want to take. This is what exactly they have given, so I will try to simulate the same thing. So for this, what I can do, maybe I can comment this, and all this example I will give you in the description. So in case if you want to just copy paste and continue, you can do that. Now let me show you one more approach, okay? So let me comment this. First of all, once we launch google.com, we will be reaching here, right? Now I want to perform some, maybe I want to put focus here, because the moment I refresh, right now control is here, but let's say if control is not here, focus is not here. So what I will do first, I will use this. Okay, this was the locator, right? First I will put focus. So call focus on a matching element. Now the focus is here. Now I will type. So till now we have seen page.keyboard.press, right? Now I will also use type. So you can use keyboard type as well. So you can use page.keyboard.type and a text to type into a focused element. So first we did the focus, now we are doing the type. Now let me type again, which is Mukesh Otwani, and let me add this explanatory mark. Now if you see, it is blinking here, right? Now I want to remove not this one, but only Otwani. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the output should be only Mukesh and explanatory mark. How we can do that? let's try to do everything via Playwright. So I will say await page.keyboard.press. Now actually, in order to move left or right, I have to use arrow left and arrow right, right? So suppose I'm here. So if I say from keyboard arrow left, 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 right, 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 arrow left, arrow right. So when you type, control will be here. First I will press left arrow or arrow left, control will be here. So again I will use arrow left. Arrow down, arrow right, arrow left. Okay, it's not showing here. Up, right, down. Okay, let's write arrow left. Now here's a very interesting catch. Suppose arrow down, arrow left will come here, again arrow left, arrow left, arrow left. But once I reach here, I want to press shift together, then arrow left, arrow left, arrow left, arrow left, arrow left, so that it will highlight. So now I have to press arrow left along with shift. How you can do that? First you will say page.keyboard.down. So basically you are pressing the key and you're not releasing it. You will release at the end. So the moment you say down, and now you can give the key. So which key we want to press? We want to press shift, right? Now shift we don't want to remove. Every time I have to use arrow left, arrow left. How many times? 6 times, because once I reach here, I'm pressing shift from my keyboard. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times I have to press arrow down. So not arrow down, arrow left. So I will do a for loop. So let I equal to 0. How many times? 6 times. So 0 to 5. So I will put I less than 6 and I plus plus. Await page.keyboard.press, and we need to press arrow left, right? So this is done. Once it is done, I will release, because once I reach here, suppose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, I can release the shift from my keyboard and I can press backspace. So once this loop is done, I can just say up. Right now it is down, it means it's already pressed. Now I will release it. So page.keyboard.up. Which key we want to make it up? Obviously shift, because shift is already pressed. And once it is done, I need to press backspace, right? So again await page.keyboard.press, and I will use backspace. Okay, now let's see what is this particular thing. First it will open google.com. Control will be on the text area, then it will type Mukesh Otwani, then arrow left like this, then shift 6 times arrow left, then it will release the shift key and it will press backspace. And let's run it once again. Just notice, pay attention here, it will be very fast. So it will type 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and backspace. And if you want, you can hit enter. So suppose if I hit enter, it's not showing even manually now. So same thing will happen with Playwright as well. So I hope it is clear now. For more detail, you can visit this documentation, very easy to follow. And the example which I told you, it's exactly same. Here they have calculated the word length and I have given manually. If you want to make it exactly like this, so instead of giving this 6, what you can do, you can say 20 dot length, so basically 6, right? So instead of hard coding, you can give this. The multiple examples, so please explore this. Most of the things we have seen, down, press, type and up. You can explore, insert text from your side. So please let me know if you face any issue. If you like this video, please do share with your friends and colleagues, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.